So here was a statement to Gina Sejo, ha. You know what, Gina Sejo and Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, do not make a bomb joke in Davao City. As perhaps people are panicking. Oh, you know what is reason? You know, bomb joke is not funny. If you ask Jerick Silva, oh, if you ask um, Ronald Rebena, if you ask Stefan Pimentel, or if you ask Andeng, oh, Andeng was son of Atimona, who is becoming a policeman in the future. Bomb joke is not funny. Oh, you know what does Andeng says to me? Gina Sejo and Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. There is a presidential decree 1727 or anti-bomb joke law, which was signed by former President Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr. Oh, during the time. Oh, bomb joke is not funny. Why do both of you saying that you're making a bomb joke at Davao City? I say to Gina Sejo and Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. That's not good. What was told by David Gill? Oh, bomb joke is not funny. Oh, you have to stop. Oh, he said to me last 2019. As perhaps, here is the question for Jean Asedio, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, and even Victor Martin Soriano. Three of you should stop making a bomb joke in Davao. Just like what happened to Anthony Solares. Oh, he was in prison. He is making a bomb joke at Davao. He was arrested for killing Kilua. He was arrested. He was arrested for making a bomb joke in social media. The Camarines Sur police have arrested him. Oh, you want to be like him? I say to Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Gina Sejo, and Victor Martin Soriano, do not make a bomb joke. You know, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, you have to refrain about your saying about bomb joke. Even you, Gina Sejo. You know what, Gina Sejo? In my YouTube blog, you have to stop harassing Mr. Dennis Gill. That was a father of David Gill. Oh, do you know what he is saying? He was mad. I mean, I'm not mad also. He was mad for what you just did in social media. However, I am telling you, Gina Sejo, you have to stop harassing Mr. Dennis Gill. Do you know Mr. Dennis Gill that he's retired already? He's a senior citizen. What if you try that to harass Mrs. Annie Gill? Oh, I say to Gina Sejo. Oh, she's working in the law firms. Oh, don't do that, Gina Sejo. Even you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, do not harass CDIFI teachers. Oh, if you try to harass anyone, or if you try to harass the mother of David Gill or Mrs. Annie Gill, if you call her whatsoever, eh, she might be get angry, she was working in the Perer Law Office, in Cubao. For me, best pills, Arnel Castillo and Gina Asedio, and even Victor Martin Soriano. You have to stop, three of you. Like I say in Filipino, tigilan nyo yan. because because all of you will get in trouble. A bomb joke is not really funny. Oh, it's not really funny. That's why I was told by Joseph Maspinas that bomb joke, it's a criminal offense. Makukulong na kayo. Like I say to Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Gin Asedio, and Victor Martin Soriano. Do not make a bomb joke. Bomb joke, it's not funny. However, it's a causing a panicking bomb threat or bomb scare. It's really panicking. Oh, look at me and Larry Chuanico. Oh, did we say a bomb joke in social media? Me and Larry Chuanico, we admitted about bomb joke. Oh, and Larry Chuanico got involved. Oh, and me, I got involved also. And I used his name of Larry Chuanico, and I made the fake account. And I made the bomb joke at Santa Maria de la Estrada in the church. And I got sued. Oh, but bomb joke, it's not really funny. Oh, I mean, I already stopped making fake account of Larry Chuanico. I already stopped what I'm saying, a bomb joke. Oh, bomb joke is not funny. Oh, and that was a crime. That was a criminal offense. Even that I say that bomb joke, it's a criminal offense. Oh, even what I'm saying that is not funny about bomb joke. Oh, if I'm saying to Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Gin Asedio, especially Victor Martin Soriano, make three of you a public apology to those people of Davao. You know Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. You have to apologize to people of Davao. After you apologize to TVJ, after you apologize to Diwata, you have to apologize to the people of Davao. Oh, even you, Gina Asedio, you have to apologize to Mr. Dennis Gill. Even you, Victor Martin Soriano, you have to apologize for your tapping against TVJ. Even a logo, it has to apologize. There's nothing to say to you. If you learn how to apologize, you need to apologize. And me, I apologize to Joel Perer, the uncle of David Gill, when I call him PI, the word P-U-T-A-I-N P-U-T-A-A-N-G or I-N-A, that is the word, or I say it G-A-G-O, because it is my mistake when I curse him profanity or foul languages. As perhaps I emailed to Joel Ferrer, the uncle of David Gill, and I say to him, I apologize to him. It will be dismiss my cases. And I learn how to apologize because me, I never chat Joel Ferrer on Facebook, in the chat, in Messenger. No. I email him via Gmail. So So perhaps I learned how to apologize to Joel Ferrer, and Joel Ferrer, the uncle of David Gill, have also forgiven me. Oh, you know, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Gene Asedio, and Victor Martin Soriano, three of you, just quit on your making a bomb joke. Even you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, just quit on your bomb joke.